This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, TV, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, oven, air conditioning, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,312 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.